Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to add margin or padding on top or bottom section on WooCommerce archive pages in Elementor WordPress. We are using Elementor theme and plugin. So this is our category page or shop page. You don't see any padding or margin on top section and bottom section. So we are going to add it by using custom CSS on all WooCommerce archive pages, which include shop page, category page, tag page. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. Now go to customize section and we are in additional CSS. Now paste. So we added custom CSS and you will find this CSS in video description or in comment section. Now you see WooCommerce archive, site main, WooCommerce single product, site main, margin top 40 pixel, margin bottom 40 pixel. So you can add padding top or padding bottom or margin top or margin bottom according to your requirement, and then click on publish and you will find this CSS in video description or in comment section. Now publish done. Go to category page again and refresh the page. So this is our WooCommerce archive pages. Now you see spacing on top and bottom section. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.